You keep asking the ceiling, what am I doing here? Scrolling through people's highlight reels, hoping the path appears. Every book on your bedside, promising some grand design. But the more that you underline, the less it feels like mine. Where do I find it? This big bright golden light? Is it hiding in a paycheck? A stranger's pair of eyes? Can someone tell me? Circle it in red, or is it something small I build every day instead? You try on a dozen futures, like jackets that never fit. Everyone's got an answer, they're so sure of it. Doctor, maybe dancer, hero, parent, saint, but all their perfect pictures leave out the doubt and strain. Ooh, where do I find it? This big bright golden light? Is it hiding in a trophy? A title by my name? Can someone tell me? Draw me a straight line, or is it learning how to love the mess inside my mind? What if there's not one mountain, just hills along the way? What if the point is kindness in all the ordinary days? What if the real big calling whispers soft and low? Take care of who's beside you and let yourself grow slow. Where do I find it? Maybe it finds me in dishes in the sink, and friends I rarely see. Can someone tell me? Maybe they never could. Maybe my only goal in life is to turn each day to good. So you ask the empty bedroom, what am I doing here? Then you breathe and pick one small thing and start from there. believer there any more time? For I will wait here for the last time, wait here for the last time.
真夜中の環状線すり抜けてくシティライツ、どこへ向かうかも知らずに僕らはダイスを振る。平地の高台に置き忘れた Useful Days、 バックミラーに映るあの一面を染める黄色い旗、交換をぶちとするなんて冗談交じりのセリフ覚えているかい。寝不足の目をこすりながらアクセルを踏み込んで走れハイウェイ、風を追い越して、だけど不意にフロントが浮き上がる。気合いじったっけローは行っちゃってもウィリーさ、都会のノイズに紛れて笑い転げたナイト&デイ。四国赤ヘルうどんの旅巡るディスティネーション、甘いお見舞いに追われて意識は遠のく。アラスカのキャンピングカー、シェフの気まぐれメニュー、ピストル大泉が狙う退屈な日常の向こう。冷え切った夜に差し出された一皿、君はため息混じりに僕の目を見てつぶやく。おいバイクは願ってさ、 揺れる目の前夜の隙間で時代遅れのセリフがループする文久3年の風が今を吹き抜けてく洒落たコード進行に乗せて僕らの旅は続くするからもう93年キンキラさん東の都課題スタイリッシュなベースラインに乗せて僕らの旅は終わらない